So this week's word of the week for week number 35 is superset. Now superset is defined as performing 2 exercises back to back with little to no time in between. An example of a superset would be performing a bench press, then squatting right after. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 9 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, sumo squats. Number 3, Russian twist. And number 4, the dreaded burpees. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 9, these are the 4 exercises you're gonna do. Number 1, as I mentioned, was X's. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is hop right in place, and then you're gonna put your feet together, moving forward like this, and then you're gonna open your feet up again like you're making a letter X. So again, together, open. So it's gonna look like this in full motion. You're gonna go hop, together, hop, together. So you're gonna go back and forth, okay, making that X. Second, sumo squat. So instead of doing a regular squat, which is feet shoulder width apart, you're actually gonna go a little bit wider than your shoulders, okay? And you're gonna drop your bottom, nice and low. All right, so we got those sumo squats. Then we got Russian twist, so we're gonna go down to our mats if you have one. If not, that's okay. What you're gonna do is slightly elevate your torso, your hands, you're gonna go and touch together the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're just gonna go back and forth, okay? That's Russian twist. And the dreaded burpee, yes. You guys knew it was coming sooner or later, okay? So if you do not know how to do a burpee, this is how I will step it out for you, okay? You can do this. First, you're gonna go ahead and pop your feet out. Again, you can do this in steps. You're gonna go down into a push-up-like position. So you're gonna place your hands going forward. Don't turn your wrist. As I mentioned, that could actually ruin your wrist. So go down, you're gonna kick your feet out, okay? Bring your feet in, and then jump up, okay? That's a burpee. Now this is how it looks facing you guys. Scoot this over a little bit. Again, I'm gonna step it out just so you can see it. Hands go down, feet go out, feet go in, and jump, okay? If you wanna make that more challenging, which it's just a recommendation, you guys can do it in one motion. So go down, feet out, pop your feet in, and jump. All right, so get ready to go. We'll start this Fast 5 workout in just a moment. We are starting in 3, 2, 1, go. If you guys have some chalk, you can make that. 2 circles up top, 1 in the middle, 2 circles on the bottom. If you have tape, you can do that as well. Heart rate climbing. All right, sumo squats with those feet up and go. Squat. And wider than your shoulders. As low as you can. Your legs are gonna feel really tight. Woo! Good job. Keep the work, my friends. Finish. Wherever you start in life, finish it. All right, getting down those Russian twist. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Number tap on each side. Nice and slow. Try to keep your feet elevated and as straight as possible. Try not to hit the floor. Side to side. All right, let's go for the burpees. All right, so love you tomorrow. You did a push up one. Step, step. Show you the step up point. For the next round, I'll go into the pool. This is probably the least favorite exercise of anybody. All right, 1 minute break. I've yet to hear one person who says, absolutely love burpees. Haven't heard it. You know somebody? Drop a comment below, that's pretty awesome. Mr. Garcia, I'm a 50-50 on it. Some days I'll want to pop up and do it. Other days, not so much. Again, use this 1 minute break. Catch your breath, get some water. 30 more seconds. All right. Yeah, we're gonna start with number 1, X's. 2 sumo squats, 3 Russian twists, 4 burpees this time. I'm gonna add that push up into my burpee. Again, you guys go at your own pace, whatever you feel comfortable with. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Go. Remember, just finished. Don't quit. This is our last round. You got it. Come on. Do more reps than you did the first time. All right, sumo squats, let's go, wider. Remember to breathe. Let's get down, Russian twist. 2 more guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Side to side. Don't quit on me, just finish, let's go. Work hard. All right, let's go, burpees, last one. Everything you got. Woo. Everything you got. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 9. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. What was your biggest challenge for this workout? What was your favorite exercise for this workout? I'd like to know, so drop a comment below. What exercises you would like to see, drop them down in the comment section. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. So for this game hat trick, the only thing you're gonna need is a hat and your body. That's the only supplies you're gonna need. Materials is a hat and your foot. The objective or the goal is for your foot for you to place your hat on your foot, and you're gonna kick it up. And what you're gonna try to do is try to land it on top of your head. Now it seems pretty easy, but until you guys start doing it, I guarantee it's gonna get harder than it looks. All right, so stay tuned and I'm gonna go and try this challenge. Check it out.
God.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully I can get it on my first try. We'll see. All right, drop a comment below. Let me know if you think I'm gonna get it on my first try. Second try, third try, or 100th time, I don't know. It's first time doing it. So, again, this name of the activity is hat trick. Look at that. First try, not perfect, it's on the side. So I can say, yeah, I passed, I got it in my first try, but I'm not. I'm gonna do it better. So that lands perfectly on top of my head, okay? Also, I want to highly recommend that you guys be careful of the bill. You don't want the bill to hit your face. It does hurt, okay? So let's try it again. Put it on my foot. I'm gonna kick up toward the sky. And hopefully I aligned it. Did not that second time. Not that time. And as you can see, it gets harder and harder every single time you do it. Just do your best. And let me know what you guys think of the game. All right, so Jordan has his hat. He's gonna go to give a shot. Check it out. Oh, pretty close. I like that he bent down, he squatted down, tried to catch it. Again, your whole body's gonna move. Your whole torso is gonna move, everything's gonna move. So you're actually giving yourself a workout without even knowing it. If you want to challenge yourself and you have somebody available to play with you, you can actually do hat tricks with a partner. One person is going to have the hat on their foot, they're going to kick it up, towards their partner, and the partner's going to actually have it be caught on their head. So again, that's a good way to do it. You can do it by points, or you guys can do a 1 minute challenge to see how many times you guys can get on the other person's head in 1 minute. It's completely up to you. Those are all different options, different challenges. But again, the main idea of this game is for you to get the hat on your head, okay? All right, so here's the partner activity. I have my hat on my foot. I'm gonna toss it over and Jordan's gonna try to catch it on his head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I fell off. Very close though, almost on the first try. I'm gonna get 3 turns and then I'm gonna go and switch and let Jordan get his turns as well. Oh, so close again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.